Most people think Microsoft Word is about writing. It isn't. That's why it feels harder than it should. The struggle doesn't start when you type. It starts before that. Staring at a blank page, writing the first sentence, and then deleting it. Rewriting it again, changing the tone, shortening it, softening it, wondering if it sounds right. Does this sound too formal? Too corporate? So you simplify it and move on. Microsoft Word forces you to think and format at the same time. That's the real problem. You're trying to figure out what to say, while also worrying about how it looks. Word was never designed to help you think. It was designed to capture finished thoughts. But most people use it as a thinking tool, and that's why it feels heavy. This is where most people get it backwards. They open Word first, and then try to think. They decide what to say, how to say it, what order it should go in, and how it should sound, all while staring at a blank page. Instead, you move the thinking somewhere else. You let the structure form, you let the wording settle, you let the ideas take shape without the pressure of formatting or presentation. And only when the thinking is done do you bring the results into Word. This is where ChatGPT changes everything. Not as a writing shortcut, but as a thinking layer. Before, you build a document while you think. After, you think first, then place the result into Word. Nothing magical happened. You just separated two jobs that were never meant to happen together. Most people don't hate writing. They hate thinking under pressure. ChatGPT removes that pressure. This isn't about prompts or tricks. It's a different way of working. Once you see it, Word stops feeling so heavy. If you use Microsoft Office at work and you're curious how ChatGPT can actually fit into everyday tasks, I've put together a practical guide that shows how it works in practice. You can find the link in the description below.